Hello, how's it going? Yeah, off the cuff video. Let's see. One of my subscribers brought up. Well, he asked, how did I do the paracord latch on my knife? And the answer is I didn't do that. But you've probably seen. Let's see. I can show you actually. You've probably seen other people do the video on it. It's like they replace their latch with like a monkey fist. They skillfully sort of thread a piece of rope in it, and it comes out looking like that. Okay, which is cool, really rude. But yeah, I don't have the patience to do it. So all I've basically done is taken like friendship bracelets with a bead, like these ones. These are Bulgarian martinitzes, and so I'm just saving the flower for a really good knife. And where the latch bar used to be, I just keep that in there. Obviously, I mean, this isn't a working latch like the monkey fist. That's really cool. That's what makes it really cool. But yeah, whether you have the time to do that or patience to do it, I don't know. So I just do this, and this isn't a latch. It's just to denote the bite handle. So I wrap that as if that was the bar there. Wrap it around inside. Thread it through with. I use a little mobile phone pin thingy, whatever you would call that, so it gets your chips out your mobile phone. And you thread that through, tie it off, and let's see, I've sort of tied them off differently. On here I have little smiley faces. I think I burnt that one with a lighter. Yeah, and because they're just little plastic beads, they don't get in the way. They rattle around a little bit. Yeah, they don't get in the way. They stretch a little bit over time. So that's there. And I call those my happy handles. And maybe if you're new here, or just getting into your balisonging, you could do this and get yourself whatever little beads and get smiley faces and think of them as your happy handles, and it might get you over that little mental edge, as it were. When you're learning to balisong a bit. Watch my cup of tea. Almost twatted my cup of tea. But yeah, so yeah, you can do that. Yeah, that's about it. Ciao, see you next time. Oh, and if you're still here and you didn't mind the video, you thought, no, it's alright, whatever, and you just like looking at balisong knives, but like me, I'll kind of watch anything with a balisong in it. Please do hit the like button at least, and then subscribe, and you'll get a few more sort of short videos like this. Just waste a couple of minutes of your time every weekend. See you next time. Ciao.